It's an automatic, I think. Not sure who installed this. Probably an automatic though. Lots of mail and random stuff down here. This must be, oh, I guess that's the parking garage. All right, up to 2. Level's a lot faster on the way up. Here's the second floor. It looks totally different on this floor than it did on the first floor. Yeah, this is probably an automatic, if I had to guess, but records will confirm. Maybe. Sometimes they don't. Look at this panel. You can tell they cleaned it recently. All the streaks and stuff are on it. It's got the old contact type innovation buttons. I like those. This thing takes forever to level when it goes down. And they got some police vehicles there. Oh look, the drop key's still in the thing. There's a train horn. Lots of sounds. That's a